Welcome to the online class. Today is 17th November 2020. In last class we have learned about exact division. In today's class we will start with the division of two-digit number by one-digit number. In your textbook in the page number 79 they given 5 steps to simple division. Okay, see that example. Let us start the class with this example. See here they given 97 divided by 2. Okay, for a two-digit number there are some five steps are there to do this division. Okay, first one, compare. Start with the digit in the tens place, that is 9 is greater than 2. Okay, see here two digits are there. This is ones column, this is ones place, this is tens place. Okay, in addition, multiplication or subtraction we will start the problem from ones to ones place, but in division you have to take first start with the tens digit. Okay, here two digits are there, therefore we have to start a bigger place, that is tens place. Other suppose here three digits are there, you have to start with the hundreds place, like that. Okay, see here they given here 97 is divided by 2. Okay, first one, start with the digit in the tens place. From this place we have to start divide 9 by 2. First you have to divide 9 by 2. Okay, write 4 above 9. See here, use the table of twos such that the product is less than or nearest to 9. Less than or nearest. Okay, see dear students, here they given 9 here, but in twos table there is no 9. Okay, yes or no? You know the tables. Okay, you have to read the tables of twos. In twos table there is no number 9. Therefore you have to choose the number less than or nearest to 9. Okay, nearest to 9. 2 4s are 8 is there. Yes or no? 2 4s are 4 2s are or 2 4s are 8. 8 is the small number also and also nearest to 9. You have to write 8 under 9 and write the 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 you have to write above the 9 and 8 you have to write below the 9 or under the 9. 2 4s are 9. 4 times 2 is 8. Like that you have to write here. Okay, next you have to subtract 8 from 9. 9 minus 8 you have to write here. Answer is 1. Okay, and okay, subtract 9 minus 8, that is 1. Write 1 in the tens column. Here you have to write 1 in the tens column. Next, bring down the next digit, that is 7, or next digit. Repeat the steps 1 to 5. Okay, next after subtraction you have to bring out the next digit, whatever is there in the ones place. You have to take that digit below, bring down. Okay, it becomes a 17. Next you have to check out the digit 17 is there or not in the twos table. Okay, 17 is not there in the twos table, therefore you have to take less than or nearest to 17, that is 16. 2 8s are 16. Write the 16 below the 17. Next you have to subtract 7 minus 6 and 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, like that. And this is the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 48 and the divisor is 2. Dividend is 97. Okay, this is the division of two-digit number by one-digit number. These are the 5 steps to solve the two-digit numbers. Okay, next here they given one formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, whether our problem is right or wrong, you have to check it by this formula. Okay, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. See here, quotient is 48. Okay, quotient is 48 and into divisor is 2 and plus 1 remainder is 1. quotient is 48. Okay, into 2 is the divisor and plus remainder. Dividend is 97. Okay, 96. 48 into 2 is 96 plus 1 remainder, it becomes 97. 97 is equal to 97. Our problem is right. Okay, dear students, see one problem here, one example here. Dividend is 85 and divisor is 3. You have to take nearest number or less than number to 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. You have to take 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down 5 below, it becomes 25. In 3's table you have to take nearest or less than number of 3, 25. 3 8s are 20, 24. We have to subtract here. 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, and the remainder is 1, and the quotient is 28. Then you have to check it out. What is the dividend here? Dividend, see here. Dividend is 85 is equal to quotient. What is the quotient here? 28 into 3 is the divisor plus remainder is 1. Okay, 28 3s are is 84 plus 1, it becomes 85. Both are same, therefore our problem is right. Okay, dear students, in next class we will continue with these examples. Thank you.